Strings. Creating a string object. In VB.NET, you can use strings as array of characters. However, more common practice is to use a string keyword to declare a string variable. The string keyword is an alias for the system.string class. You can create string object using one of the following methods: by assigning a string literal to a string variable, by using a string class constructor, by using the string concatenation operator plus symbol, by retrieving a property or calling a method that returns a string, by calling or formatting a method to convert a value or object to its string representation. Properties of the string class. The string class has the following two properties. Chars gets the char object at a specified position in the current string object. Length gets the number of characters in the current string object. Methods of the string class. The string class has numerous methods that help you in working with the string objects. Method named and description. Public shared function compare. Open bracket str a as string, comma str b as string, close bracket, as integer. Compares two specified string objects and returns an integer that indicates the relative position in the sort order. Public shared function compare, open bracket, str a as string, comma str b as string, comma ignore case as boolean, close bracket, as integer. Compares two specified string objects and returns an integer that indicates the relative position in the sort order. However, it ignores case if the boolean parameter is true. Public shared function concat, open bracket, str0 as string, comma str1 as string, close bracket, as string, concatenates two string objects. Public shared function concat, open bracket, str0 as string, comma str1 as string, comma str2 as string, close bracket, as string, concatenates three string objects. Public shared function concat, open bracket, str0 as string, comma str1 as string, comma str2 as string, comma str3 as string, close bracket, as string, concatenates four string objects. Public function contains, open bracket, value as string, close bracket, as boolean. Returns a value indicating whether the specified string object occurs within the string. Public shared function copy, open bracket, str as string, close bracket, as string, creates a new string object with the same value as a specified string. Public sub copy to, open bracket, source index as integer, comma destination as char, open close bracket, destination index as integer, comma count as integer, close bracket. Copies a specified number of characters from a specified position of the string object to a specified position in an array of Unicode characters. Public function ends with, open bracket, value as string, close bracket, as boolean. Determines whether the end of the string object matches the specified string. Public function equals, open bracket, value as string, close bracket, as boolean. Determines whether the current string object and the specified string object have the same value. Public shared function equals, open bracket, a as string, comma b as string, close brackets, as boolean. Determines whether two specified string objects have the same value. Public shared function format, open bracket, format as string, comma arg0 as object, close bracket, as string. Replaces one or more format items in a specified string with the string representation of a specified object. Public function index of, open bracket, value as char, close brackets, as integer. Returns the zero-based index of the first occurrence of the specified Unicode character in the current string. Public function index of, open bracket, value as string, close bracket, as integer. Returns the zero-based index of the first occurrence of the specified string in this instance. Public function index of, open bracket, value as char, comma, start index as integer, close brackets, as integer. Returns the zero-based index of the first occurrence of the specified Unicode character in this string, starting search at the specified character position. Public function index of open bracket value as string, comma, start index as integer, close bracket, as integer. Returns the zero-based index of the first occurrence of the specified string in this instance, starting search at the specified character position. Public function index of any open bracket any of as char open close bracket as integer. Returns the zero-based index of the first occurrence in this instance of any character in a specified array of Unicode characters. Public function index of any open bracket any of as char open close brackets, comma, start index as integer, close brackets, as integer. Returns the zero-based index of the first occurrence in this instance of any character in a specified array of Unicode characters, starting search at the specified character position. Public function insert open bracket start index as integer, comma, value as string, close bracket, as string. Returns a new string in which a specified string is inserted at a specified index position in the current string object. Public shared function is null or empty, open bracket, value as string, close bracket, as boolean. Indicates whether the specified string is null or an empty string. Public shared function join, open bracket, separator as string, comma, param array value as string, open close brackets, as string. Concatenates all the elements of a string array using the specified separator between each element. Public shared function join, open bracket, separator as string, comma, value as string, open close bracket, start index as integer, comma, count as integer, close brackets, as string. Concatenates specified elements of a string array using the specified separator between each element. Public function last index of open bracket value as char, close brackets, as integer. Returns the zero-based index position of the last occurrence of the specified Unicode character within the current string object. Public function last index of open bracket value of string, close bracket, as integer. Returns the zero-based index position of the last occurrence of the specified string within the current string object. Public function remove, open bracket, start index as integer, close bracket, as string. Removes all the characters in the current instance, beginning at a specified position and continuing through the last position, and returns the string. Public function remove, open bracket, start index as integer, comma, count as integer, close bracket, as string. Removes the specified number of characters in the current string, beginning at a specified position, and returns the string. Public function replace, open bracket, old char as char, comma, new char as char, close bracket, as string. Replaces all occurrence of a specified Unicode character in the current string object with the specified Unicode character and returns the new string. Public function replace, open bracket, old value as string, comma, new value as string, close bracket, as string. Replaces all occurrences of a specified string in the current string object with the specified string and returns the new string. Public function split, open bracket, param array separator as char, open close bracket, as string, open close bracket. Return a string array that contains the substrings in the current string object, delimited by elements of a specified Unicode character array. Public function split, open bracket, separator as char, open close brackets, comma, count as integer, close bracket, as string, open close brackets. Returns a string array that contains the substrings in the current string object, delimited by elements of a specified Unicode character array. The int parameter specifies the maximum number of substrings to return. Public function starts with open bracket, value as string, close bracket, as boolean. Determines whether the beginning of the string instance matches the specified string. Public function to char array as char open close brackets returns a Unicode character array with all the characters in the current string object. Public function to char array open bracket start index as integer, comma length as integer, close bracket, as char open close brackets returns a Unicode character array with all the characters in the current string object, starting from the specified index and up to the specified length. Public function to lower as string returns a copy of the string converted to lowercase. Public function to upper as string returns a copy of the string converted to uppercase. Public function trim as string removes all leading and trailing whitespace characters from the current string object. Comparing strings. The following example demonstrates some of the methods mentioned. The example program for comparing strings. When the code is compiled and executed, it produces the following result. String contains string. When the code is compiled and executed, it produces the following result. Getting a substring. When the code is compiled and executed, it produces the following result. Joining strings. When the code is compiled and executed, it produces the following result.